buffalo chicken bacon calzone. Sounds good. I'm gonna make them right now. One word. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Well, that's like 5 words, but it's still bacon. Alright, I've marinated these boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut up overnight with some Zatarain cayenne pepper. This is something new I just bought. Some Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoned Blend. Got a little kick to it, but I added the cayenne to it to get a little more kick. It's kind of got a little buttery taste to it. Kind of like, it smells like that butter you get at the cinema. They squirt out that big tub that you put on your popcorn. You know, kind of smells like that. I figured it'd lead a little more kick, so I put a little bit of that in there. Not much, but just a little bit. Whole lot of chicken going on. Look at that. That's some chicken there. No way I'm going to use all that, but you know it's good. Just making little chicken poppers. Yeah, cook it all up. Okay guys, what I'm about to show you. I made this dough last night. What I'm about to show you is the first time I've tried it. But I will say this. So I'm making calzone, it's going to be thin. But don't ever use one of these on a pizza unless you plan on making a thin crust. Do not use one of these. Bad. Use your hands, use your fingers. Not one of these. But since I'm making a calzone, I'm going to try this deal that I thought about. I'm going to place it in between 2 cutting boards. And I'm going to go to town on it. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I've never tried this before, but might as well give it a shot, you know. Oh, get that out of the way. Take a look, see what happens here. Roll it out. On a roll. Let's take a look and see what we did. I don't think it's nowhere near thin enough, but it's a start. Hey, look at that. Coming along. Look at that. Imagine that. I'm going to keep on working on it. We'll see what happens on the end. Well, look at that. Thin. Look how thin that is. It's pretty good. Got a little oil on this mat because I sprayed it with oil. But you want to know the best thing? Look at this rolling pin. Perfectly clean. Not a damn thing on it. Hell of a way if you got to roll out dough, boys. Like I said, don't do this for hand toss or deep dish or anything like that. Just gonna make calzones or a thin crust pizza. Get 2 of these things, like 3 of these things at Walmart for $5. Works pretty good. All right, chicken's pretty much done. I threw in, chopped up some onions, put in there, just kind of let them simmer in with the chicken. Wasn't in the plans, but what the heck. I'll be letting that chicken cool, and then I'm going to put it in the wrap. I'll start building the calzone. Transferring the dough over to a solid metal pizza disc. I advise not using a screen for calzones, just to the simple fact that they tend to leak out, and you might get a bunch of crap in your bottom of whatever you're cooking it in. Which I'm just going to use the Breville. It seems to work good. This actual pan came with the Breville. Just kind of get it as round as you can. No big deal. Like I said, I put some oil on the bottom of this. Shot it with some olive oil mixed with some phase liquid margarine. Just like that. I like touching it. Oh, that feels good. I want you to remember this technique. Because one day I'm going to be making you guys a Detroit style deep dish pizza. And this is a part of the technique to make one of those. Alright. We'll start building that mug. Okay. Got our chicken. We're gonna put the chicken in the calzone, just 1/2. It's about as much as I figured it would need right here. Oh, it's really, look at that. Oh, look how juicy it is. Look at that juice dripping off of it. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's juicy. Juicy. Next thing, we're gonna put a little cheese on it. Let's spread this out a little bit better first. Don't want to get too close to the sides. There, like that. Yeah. First thing we're gonna put down for the creaminess, we're gonna put down a couple of slices white American. This is, it says Mexican cheese blend, but just remember, you don't want to get too close to the edge. Got me some string cheese. That's right. Just pull it apart. Lay it in there. After all, it's mozzarella, right? I think I need one more. One more for the show. Yeah, lay that in there. There. Work on this side a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna turn this towards me. Now all we're going to do is we're going to flip this over. Just move it on the table a little bit, that's okay. We're not going to seal it. Because there's a couple things we got to add. There you go. Alright. It's Breville time, baby. Need the Breville. There. We're going. See the timer. 375 for 18 minutes. Halfway in the cook cycle. We're starting to get a little browning. Got a ways to go. The reason why I didn't seal it, because after it's done cooking, put some lettuce and some tomatoes in there. Lettuce and tomatoes. Gotta go in. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's hot in there. Okay. Let's get our stuff that we need to put in there. Throw them in there. Lay down the tomatoes first. Look at the cheese. Oh, man. Ooey, goodness. Ooey, ooey, gooey. Goodness, baby. You gotta have it. Lettuce. Gotta put that in there. A little bit of lettuce. Okay. Get in there, lettuce. Okay. We gotta cut this mug. That cut's got me wondering what the bottom looks like. Let's take a look. Okay. good. But we're not done. No, we're not stopping there. She's not done. We're gonna slather some butter on her. Gotta lube her up a little bit. Both sides here. I did this after so I didn't get my fingers all lubed up. There we go. Yeah, just like that. A little bit of garlic. Put that on there. Yeah. Just for you, Mario. Grated Parmesan. Get it on there. Yeah. Stick, baby. Look at her. There you have it, boys. That is going to be a thing of beauty. Well, I hate to say goodbye. This is where we part ways. This dude is hungry. No, I wouldn't cheat you out of me taking a bite of this thing. It is. Whether you like it or whether you don't. Crispy. It's good, and I haven't even gotten into the good stuff yet. One more bite, and I'm going to say goodbye. Freaking fantastic. We'll see you guys later. I like this. It's good. Thanks for watching. Hey, I told you. Don't worry. Stuff will be at the docks at 7:15. Now where's my money?